Introducing TotalWorx Accessories PrepWorks VP100, the versatile skim coat and patching compound designed for precision and performance. VP100 is a cement-based patch underlayment, perfect for application over concrete substrates. Engineered to create smooth, durable surfaces, it's ideal for preparing floors for a wide range of finishes. Use VP100 with resilient sheet flooring, LVP, LVT, ceramic tile, carpet, and both glue down and click hardwood installations. Available in convenient 10-pound bags with 180 bags per pallet and 25-pound bags with 100 bags per pallet, giving you flexibility for any project size. PrepWorks VP100 delivers professional-grade results with every application.